ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Miss Rashmi Davis. Hello, welcome to the subject Social Science, Standard 8, Geography, Chapter number 1, Resource. What we have studied in the previous class in 7th standard? We studied about environment. What is environment? Environment is whatever surrounding us. Whatever is surrounding us. Environment is the basic necessity for our life, which supports our life. It provides us with different kinds of things like air, water, food, land, etc. So now you must have understood from the previous things, okay, what is environment? It provides us with a lot of things. Now that term, okay, that is resource. What do you understand by the term resource? Anything which satisfies our needs. Anything which satisfies our needs is termed as resource. Anything which is useful for human is called resource. Utility or usability is what makes an object or a substance a resource. Value means worth. It gives some worth to the object. The use of resource or its utility gives it a value. Things become resource when they have value. All this resource have some value. Now here you can see two things, okay? In the first example, you can see here gold and silver metal. And in the second picture, you can see the beautiful landscape. The first thing which is shown is, suppose I give money, then I can get the gold or the silver. So it shows the means if I pay the money, I'll get the object. It is to be given, okay, the money is to be given. Then only we can receive this. So it shows the value, the worth of the product. In the second case, I might need that area. I might go there, I can sit, okay, time pass over in this area. But it is not taking any value from me. It is non-economic, okay. So here, the second case, a beautiful landscape may not, but both are important and satisfies human needs. Metals have an economic value, whereas the landscape may not have the economic value. One more example you have. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. Your grandmothers have some home remedies, okay, which does not have any commercial value in the market. But if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. Then only it becomes valuable. Otherwise, grandmom's remedy stays at home only. If it gets patented, it gets registered, then the person, okay, who has brought this remedy gets the amount when it is sold in the market, and everybody will get the new remedy. Time and technology are two important resources that change substance into resource. Both are related to the needs of the people. People themselves are the most important resource, human resource. It is their ideas, knowledge, inventions, discoveries that led to the creation of more resource. Each discovery or invention led to many others. The discovery of fire in the olden time, the primitive man, what did they do? They must have taken the two stones and they must have rubbed. That's how the invention of the fire took place. Then they started using for cooking, protecting themselves from the animals. They might have used the fire for seeing that they are getting too much of heat from the fire. Okay, so they get safe from the animals. Then you have the invention of wheel, ultimately which resulted in the newer modes of transport. Earlier you can see the usage of the wheel. Then you have the rims which were put in the wooden this thing. Now you have the rubber tires which are there. The technology to create hydroelectricity has turned energy in fast flowing water into an important resource. Now we will summarize all the thing what we have done in the first video. Utility and value. Utility. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook have something in common. Okay, if I'm thirsty, I'll need water. So I'll quench my thirst with water. The second, electricity. If I need electricity, I'll on the fans, lights, ACs, etc. So the usability, okay. Rickshaw. If I want a mode, transport, okay, from one place to the other, I will use auto rickshaw. Vegetables, fruits, all the necessary things which we want from the market. And textbook. Textbook is the other material which you and I have used. Okay, so this all things in common we have used. They have all been used by us so that they are having some utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Now what is value? Things become resource only when they have a value. When will it have value? It will have value only when we give some amount and purchase a particular thing. Its use or utility gives it a value. Value means what? It means worth. Some resources have economic value, some do not. Some have economic value, some do not have economic value. Some resources can be, the previous one we had seen with one example, okay, that is the metals which we purchase with the money. But the other thing, landscape or the parks or the gardens where we visit, we do not have to pay economic value, that is non-economic. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. Okay, the remedy which was shown, and the next case was about the fire. Fire, okay, when it took place, what had happened? They came to know, okay, first they used to eat the raw material, okay, raw food. Then they learnt about cooking, then protecting themselves from the animals, and then seeing that they get heat, okay. So like that they learnt the use and the value of a particular thing. Hope you have understood with this topic. Thank you.